In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up a Google Forms payment integration. This will be a step-by-step video, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. The first step is we're going to go to the Google Workspace Marketplace and install an app called PayForm. I'll put a link to this in the video description. You're going to click Install, sign in with your Google account, click Continue, and then click Allow. And you can just click Done. Now we can go to Google Forms. You can either choose an existing form or create a new one. For this video, we're going to create a new one and click on Blank Form. In the top right-hand corner, you will see a puzzle piece. This is your add-ons menu. When you click on it, you will see an option for PayForm. Click on that. A menu will pop up and you will click on Settings. Now you're going to click on the yellow Configure button and then click Proceed. PayForm has been successfully configured. Now, let's set up the form to be able to start accepting payments. We're going to add a currency symbol with an amount to any items that we want to accept a payment for. For this example, we're going to add the US currency symbol with $5 and another option for $10. If you're from a different country, you can use your own currency symbol. You can add amounts to multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, multiple choice grids, and checkbox grids. For short answers and paragraphs, if you add a currency symbol in the title, it will allow the user to enter their own amounts. This is great for donations and tips where you want to allow the user to choose how much they want to pay. Now that our form has been configured, we need to set up how you're going to get paid. Click on Payment Gateways. Then, continue with Google. And sign in with your Google account. Here, you can connect to PayPal and Stripe. It's important to remember that currently we're in test mode, but when you're ready to go live, you're going to want to click this slider and go into live mode to accept real money. For this video, we're going to connect to PayPal in testing mode. Now, just sign in with your PayPal email address. Click Login. And then click Return. You can see that you've been successfully connected to PayPal. If you also want to accept payments with Stripe, just click here. Choose which account, and then click Connect. You can now see that you've been successfully connected to Stripe. If you're using a different currency other than United States dollars, just click here and change it here. You can also change your currency symbol position, which type of item you're selling, and adjust your time zone. Now let's see what our form will look like. Click on View Form. This is what your form looks like. This is the URL that you are going to want to share with your customers. As you can see, an email field has been automatically added, and when we click on an amount, you can see at the bottom that now customers can choose how they want to pay, either by PayPal or Stripe. Let's make a test payment. We're going to enter an email address. We already have an amount selected. We're going to add a custom amount. As you can see, the total has been updated, and we're going to click Pay with PayPal and then submit the form. The customer will log into PayPal and then just click Complete Purchase. And that's it. Now, the customer will receive a receipt thank you email, and you as the admin will also receive an email. I'm going to walk you through what it also looks like with Stripe. Enter an amount and pay with Stripe. And we're going to enter a zip code and then just click pay. As you can see, the payment has been successfully completed. If you want to view your completed payments, just go to your form details and then click on Form Responses and Payments. Here you can see all of your payment history. We have 2 different payments for the 2 different tests that we did, one for Stripe and one for PayPal. That's it. You have now successfully set up a Google Forms payment integration. Just share the form URL with your customers and you're ready to start getting paid. Do you also want to accept payments for events and bookings in Google Calendar? See our link in the description for how to do just that. Please like this video if you've enjoyed it and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching.